Are you interested in being at the forefront of sustainable energy? Lakeland College Sustainable Energy Technology program has practical education for powerful thinkers. Learn how renewable technology is shaping how we generate, distribute, and consume energy, positively impacting sustainability in business and economics. Enhance your resume, increase your knowledge, and diversify your skill set at your own pace through our certificate and diploma online courses. Build a foundation in sustainable energy technology and forge a path to becoming a leader in renewables, sustainable buildings, microgrids, and other emerging energy technology. As employers continue to prioritize sustainability, Lakeland College is actively working with industry to ensure you are job-ready upon graduation. The program opens opportunities in an array of different sectors, such as sales, consulting, sustainable building design, renewable energy installation, government and municipalities, and much more. Enroll today and choose a career in sustainability. Visit lakelandcollege.ca.